Hi everybody, in this video we are going to review the differences between an ASP.NET Web Forms website and web application. Those are two different project types provided by Microsoft. The basic difference between website and web application is that the website has its ASPX and ASPX C# or VB files compiled into their own assembly the first time the page is loaded in the browser, while in the web application these files are compiled to a single assembly at compile time, e.g. when you build the application. The website is a legacy template site. It's not available in the latest versions of Visual Studio, and Microsoft recommends creating web applications only. Here I want to present both type of projects so that you know how to distinguish them. And before proceeding to creating these projects, we will review this important Microsoft MSDN article about some differences between these project types. For the web application project, the project contains C# project or VB project files, which stores important information about the project, such as the list of the files that are included in the project, the reference to the different libraries and assemblies. It contains GlobalSX file. Also, the ESPX file has designer files and some other differences. In the website project, there is no project files. All the files in the folder structure are automatically included in the site. The source code is typically compiled dynamically by ASP.NET on the server the first time a request is received after the site has been installed or updated. You can precompile the site. By default, compilation produces multiple assemblies. In website, you explicitly compile the source code on the computer that is used for development or source control. By default, compilation of source code, excluding ASPX and ASCX files, produce a single assembly. For deployment, you copy the assembly to a server. The assembly is produced by compiling the application. For web application. For website, you copy the application source files to a computer that has AS installed on it. If you precompile the site on a development computer, you copy the assemblies produced by the compilation to the AS server. That's it. So now let's create the website project type in Visual Studio. Continue without the project file, new project. If we type web site, we'll see that this project type is not available anymore in Visual Studio. If you have the Telerik components installed, you can use them to create a website. Click next, give the name of the project and create. Next, finish. It's almost done. And here is the folder structure. No solution file, no designer files, only SPX and the code behind file. We have the app data and app code folders, and that's all. Now, let's create the other project. Type the web application. Web application. Next, create. Here we can choose web forms. And for the web application project, we can see that there are references tab with links to all the installed assemblies in the project, properties with the assembly info file, the web config. There are more options inside the properties window. And also the SPX files has designer files. This is differently to the website project. So the major differences are the assembly info file, the designer files, and the references tab. The app start folder is also applicable only for the web applications. I hope that you'll find this info useful. Happy coding. Bye bye.